Good morning, Alpine, Texas. This is a wonderful morning. I'm really tired. We just got out of the dollar store and we saw a train full of all the army equipment that they use up in Afghanistan, Iraq, Iran, you know, all that good stuff. And I mean, it's like the bombdiggity.com here, you know. You hardly even see this here in Alpine. Yeah, thanks for our troops who have been fighting for our country, you know. Just want to say that are doing a good job and keeping our country safe.
And letting us have freedom.
And letting us have freedom. Exactly. I mean, look at that. Dude, that's like cool. But the sad part is that the train is stopping and it's a long way.
No, it's not. It's already going to end. Take off and it's going to be right there.
It's all the way over there.
I know.
Look at that. Like, isn't that something? Huh. I mean, this train is just full of a lot of them. I mean, it's like so cool. I think I'm gonna take another picture, guys, so thanks and goodbye.